Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass, a channel with lots of videos all dedicated to the architectural stained glass world and trying to expand the knowledge base. Today is just a little masterclass on how to cut those very long, shallow angles from your lead without the cane squishing. So I hope you will enjoy my little top tip. And please like, comment and subscribe. This is the curve I'm going to be treating with this technique where you cut away the heart and then use scissors. I haven't trimmed this yet because it's going to just meet this circle here. It's not going to carry on. I had considered bringing it to here, but I'll get a much nicer circle if I treat that as a circle. So what I will do is trim that once I've cut that. So I've done this end of the lead, and now I'm going to show you how I did it with this. I'm going to work on the tricky end first. So can you see that? Yes. So here. Okay. So there it is. Then you cut the other side, and then you cut away that heart. Then you do it again till you've really cut away quite a lot of heart. And there you have a heartless lead. So let's see how it's going to work. It's going to go here, and I'm going to just start trimming with my scissors. They do twist a bit as you trim them. Hope you can see it okay. Now I'm going to see how that looks. Actually, that's looking pretty good. It needs to sort of meet this one. So maybe like that. We've got this piece of glass here, which is looking a bit small. I might recut that, but that's how it's all going to get soldered. And I think you can see that's going to give me that curve in a way that still means this piece fits. Because if you leave the heart in, that's very fiddly, like most things. If you leave the heart in, this will be up against two. And you see how that is beautifully fitting all my lines now. I'm going to recut this piece, but I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to cut that there, and I probably will cut this one now as well. So as you see, I used the fingernail technique, but if you wanted, you could use your pen. And I'm going to just do that like that. There we are. And that's going to mean all this fits in nicely. And I know you're thinking, well, it's got no heart, it won't be very strong. But actually, once you've soldered that joint there, solder is much, much stronger than lead, so that's going to be fine. Okay. So thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. I'm not saying that's the way to do it, but it's just one way to do it. Maybe you'll find that a help. So yeah, thanks, and please like, comment and subscribe. Hello, I've just got a little postscript for the video today. You probably know I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. Well, I'm going to be going to once a week for a while, for a couple of reasons. There are loads of videos up there, and I don't want to overload the channel because it makes it a bit difficult to navigate. But in addition to that, I'm working on my book at the moment, and so I'm going to be in my studio a bit less, and if I just upload once a week, it'll just give me a bit more of a run at my writing. So I'm still here, I'll still be posting, and if you've got any questions or anything you'd like to see, just let me know, and thank you for your support.